Hello everyone and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller, I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region. And I'm joined by Roberta Tanzariello. She is our platform lead for robotics and digital tools at Rockwell Automation. Roberta, welcome to the studio.
Thank you, Stan. A pleasure being here.
So we're here today to talk a little bit about integrated robotics. So before we get into some of the deeper questions, can you just give us a high-level explanation of what is integrated robotics?
Yes, so actually with integrating robotics, we are targeting a complete solution that is enabling our customer to build a complete workflow that is starting from the integrated architecture concept, so pre-sales up to the configuration, programming, operation and maintenance of robotics capability. A single simulation and single programming environment that is based on configuration instead of programming. So we are really improving the lifecycle management of the machine, asset utilization, and decreasing the footprint of our machine, scalable software and capabilities.
So when we take a look at the manufacturers looking at this technology, what are the drivers? What's driving manufacturers to embrace this technology?
So our customers are looking to basically improve throughput, enabling machine differentiation between ICT, advanced technologies capability, digital thread, making flexible manufacturing machine and enabling technologies that are integrating vertically all our capabilities. So starting from the data that is actually visible because all is integrated, advanced safety functionalities and also dynamic capabilities and so on.
So from what you just described, what industries benefit most from this type of technology?
With the unified robot control, we are targeting basically the general industries, so warehouse and logistics is a very good sector that we are targeting. Also life science, and also food and beverage. Our partners are key enabler because they are providing basically the robot arm. Comau and Autonox, they are providing what we call robot arm solution. So the robot that is actually sitting in our networks where all is integrated.
That's clear. So this is a very dynamic and evolving space. So what's the latest when it comes to this type of technology?
Okay, so basically we released last month our foundation release that is basically covering all the complete lifecycle management of the machine. The focus development is the library, the Rockwell Automation Application Code Manager library, robotics library, is the foundation release because we are focusing on pick and place application with static location. And this is the first application that we are targeting across the complete general industries. So starting from, as I said, food and beverage, so CPG, all the warehouse and logistics, life science. So we are enabling our tools and our software to cover ICT and robotics in the same environment, providing flexible manufacturing design and application that can be scaled.
Roberta, thank you for joining us in the studio today.
Thank you, Stan, for the opportunity.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Rockwell Automation and integrated robotics solutions, visit www.rockwellautomation.com.